Okay, this lesson is going to be very focused, looking at creating a missile launcher game using GameMaker. Your first step, as in any game, is to begin making your sprites. So we'll start off with making our first sprite, keeping SPR underscore, and we'll call it the gunner. This is going to be a freestyle graphic, not downloaded, hand drawn by yourself using the Edit Sprite tool. So we are in the Sprite Editor, and we're going to create a new sprite. We're going to use a pixel size of 32 pixel width and 32 pixel height. This gives us the average size of a sprite in a computer game. So there's the space, 32 by 32. To edit it, we're going to double click, and we're in the image editor. Now that's a rather small area to work in, so if you use the scroll wheel on the mouse, you can enlarge that space to whatever you're comfortable with. The first thing for the gunner would be to draw, since we're going to be shooting space aliens in the sky, this is going to be an original gun device, so it's wide open to you how you want to draw the symbol. The way I have started is using the square box tool to draw the base, like so. So that'll be the outline, and the interior, it's a shooting device. It's not generally white, it's going to be a darker color. So as in Photoshop or Flash, the bucket tool is used to fill in a specific area. So choose your tool, choose your color. I'm going to gray it down a little bit and fill that space with gray. Now I could change the overall shape here using the erase tool to take out some boxes. This is strictly made of boxes. Use your counting skills to make two areas. If you're going to cut some material off, just count the boxes to make sure that that space is even. Then, using the pen tool and the black ink, I'm going to darken in the border, like so. Now, the guns are going to come out the top. I'm going to make a two-gun unit. Gun number one. Gun number two. With a minor error over here, take the eraser, fill it in. Get the bucket. Choose the color, fill it in. Uh-oh, made an error there. I hit the black outline and it all turned gray. So simply move up to the undo arrow and undo it, like so. I'm also not happy with these boxes here, so I'm going to take them out. Bucket, the gray color is still there, fill it in, done. Now I want to roughen this up a little bit, so we have a bit of gunpowder on the unit, a bit of dirt. So I'm going to take the spray paint tool and pick a different color gray, a bit darker. So I can tarnish it up. Now I'm not happy with what happened here, so I can back up and just start again. There. Okay, let's see what this gun looks like from a distance. Okay, before I go there, I don't like the fact that these lines, this spacing and this spacing is slightly different. So I'm going to take my selection tool and I'm going to choose that section, and I'm going to move it over one box space to the right, so the distance here is the same on both sides. The dimensions are the same. Now then, when I click out here, you can see that the movement was good, but I need to fix that space. So I'll grab the pen and make sure I've got black, click in that space, and the eraser to deal with that, a pen, gray, gray, done. Good match. There's my two-gun setup, my two-gun station. When you're happy with your sprite, check it off, and you can see that it looks pretty impressive game size. Check that off, and your sprite is ready to use. Check it off here. Now, of course, to make it usable, I need to create an object with it. So it's going to be called the object_gunner, the sprite SPR gunner. It'll remain visible. Depth 0. Click OK. Alright, so we've created our first icon. Spend some time creating some other icons in the same fashion. Hand-drawn or original, custom created in the Sprite Editor. So stock up on your sprite characters. What you needed is one set of guns, and you need several aliens. So have fun, use the same procedure, exactly the same procedure to create all of your characters and to finish this activity. In the next lesson, I'll teach you how to make your sprites move. Good luck.